Welcome back to the shop. This video is an announcement that I'm looking to extend my services to mail-in. So if you have a motor that needs to be rebuilt, both 2-stroke or 4-stroke, you can mail it in to me and I can save you a lot of money compared to the dealerships. Also, shocks and forks, I can service them, swap out springs, make repairs, whatever you need done to them. I'm located in Parrish, Florida, so if you're in Florida, it's probably just easier to drive to me, but if you're out of state, you can mail your motor or suspension components. But you do have to have the ability to remove your own motor and put it back in, which is not too hard. I think most people can do that. Throughout the few years I've been running this channel, I have already had a few mail-ins, and a couple of them I've done videos on, like this CRF 450R right here. That was one I did a video on, and then we have a CRF 250R. If the motor that you mail me is one I haven't already put together a video for, that specific make and model, with your permission, I might put together a video for it and put it on YouTube for others to see. But making a video on a rebuild can be a little time consuming, so I can't do a video for every motor that's mailed in to me. It's just really going to be extended to the ones that I don't already have a video on that make and model. The turnaround time is about 3 weeks from the day you mail out the motor. It's about 3 weeks, give or take a little bit. I get it. No one likes their bike down. We all want our bike up and running. So I will work as quickly as I can to get your motor apart, see what parts we need, get the parts ordered, and get it done and get it mailed back to you. To reach me, you can email me at upallnight91@hotmail.com, or you can go to any of my videos here and click in the description and somewhere. There it is right there, upallnight91@hotmail.com. You can copy and paste that. Shoot me an email. Let me know what you have, what you need done to it, and I'll give you an estimate. We'll get it sorted out. We can exchange phone numbers from that point, and we can talk through text or phone calls. Appreciate it, guys. Catch you in the next video.